are over.
Yeah, entrance and ticket there. There, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh God, that's so nice. This is something
To learn how to do piano.
so nice. Buy ticket right now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Oh, this is Surya KLCC shopping center. And I think the next will be the.
It used to be the first tallest building in the world until the Burj Khalifa came in Dubai.
I mean, today is Sunday, and I can see lots to. I mean, Twin Tower. Abhi, today is my third day of Kuala Lumpur visit in Malaysia. आज का मौसम बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब थोड़ा गर्मी लग रहा है. I think temperature around nearing 30, but you can still a good time, good good climate to visit. And I just came to hear the Surya KLCC square. I just next to, I mean. Twin Tower. It's a very nice place. I mean, families to travel, families to. I mean, it's today's Sunday, and I can see a lot of local people, and I mean, they just came here and just a good outing, and a very nice place. So many Indians are there actually. So let me find out some Indian. Somebody to talk more about how they feel and how they enjoy this situation over here. So, hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Ayush Patnaik from class 6.
You're studying here.
Yes.
Okay. How long you have been? Kuala Lumpur.
I've been here since when I was born.
Oh, so nice. So okay. Your father working here.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Just tell me about school, right? About school name and all.
My school name is Vikas International School.
Okay.
It consists of 5 floors. There are class from pre-KG to class 12. Okay, and then it's far from our home because it's in Old Klang Road and our home is in Sentul.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and I'm in class 6.
Okay.
Now I've entered secondary.
Okay.
And my brother is also studying in class 11 in
So
Vikas.
you have a brother also?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. And the school having the Indian students are there or?
There are some Indian students and less out of Indian students.
Okay, so you're born in Kuala Lumpur, am I right?
Yes.
So you're a Malaysian, right? Are you Malaysian right now?
No, I'm an Indian because I have Indian IC, but I don't have Malaysian IC. That's why I'm an Indian.
Okay, fine. So nice. So what is the good about this? You come very often to KLCC. I mean, this square actually. I mean, all the time? Okay.
Yes, actually, I come to this because it's so beautiful. The Petronas Twin Tower is so beautiful, and I love drawing the Petronas Twin Tower.
Okay. I mean, can you tell something about Petronas? Twin Tower.
It used to be the first tallest building in the world until the Burj Khalifa came in Dubai. Some people have been wondering that why did Petronas Twin Tower drop down and Dubai go up. And then Dubai, it became a world record for the Burj Khalifa. And now Dubai is a rich country. But Malaysia is still also populated.
Okay, fine. So see, this is so nice actually.
Yeah.
So the night time is any lighting will be there and all. You come the evening also there.
Yeah, I come evening.
Okay.
I come in evening.
Okay.
This fountain. Even you see these small water ones. They will light up in the evening and night time. And at night, 11 or 12 o'clock, they will some music will go on, like very nice Hollywood music. And then there'll be a lot of lights, disco lights in the fountains.
Disco, can it be disco light?
Yes,
so
yes,
light
it will
will
go
come
up, down,
and
come
down,
out.
yeah.
Up.
So nice, we are really enjoy evening
Yes.
time. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So you are feeling very good that you are feeling proud here in
Yeah.
Kuala
Yes.
Lumpur. Okay.
And in school we also sing Indian and Malaysian national anthem. I like Malaysia more than India because it's like more like maintained, and it's more beautiful than India, and there are no skyscrapers in India.
Okay, fine. And second thing, can you recite Malaysian national anthem or song? Is possible? You heard of the, you can recite that or you have some lines?
I know the whole national anthem, but we only sing when everybody sing. So right now there's no one singing. That's why.
So nice, so nice. I mean, you are so young and the spirit so high. Tell me something about the Indian restaurants in Kuala Lumpur actually. When the restaurants are there.
Yeah, my father actually owns an Indian restaurant.
Oh, really? Oh, okay, fine. So you have to come one time. Which part of, Kuala Lumpur it is in?
It's in Sentul.
Sentul?
Yes.
Sentul is, is a center part of they say Sentul.
I would say it's like the border part of Kuala Lumpur.
What of Sentul? Okay, fine. Tell us something about taste bud, right? Taste bud?
Yeah, taste bud.
Okay,
Taste
something
bud.
about taste bud, how is that?
I like eating paneer butter masala. over there.
Okay. So all Indian foods are available there.
Not all, some, but some popular ones are there.
Okay, fine. So will you invite me to come to your restaurant by today evening?
Yes, please.
So today evening we'll go to your restaurant.
Yes.
I'll meet your father also there.
Okay.
And the cooks are from also India or?
Yeah, India.
Okay,
India.
okay.
There are
Okay,
some Muslims, Hindus,
okay.
and
okay.
Christians.
Okay, fine. So like, I just want to know one thing. Like your school you'll be like is Monday to Friday or how?
Monday to Saturday, but then
Uh-huh.
we rarely get Saturday.
Okay.
We rarely get Saturday schools. And we only get Saturday schools only for like club activities, but Monday to Friday all studies.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So I would like to go. I'm not gone. I came last time to Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
I've gone to this Twin Tower. So would like to come with me?
Yes, please.
Oh, so nice. And you are coming with me, right? Okay,
Yes.
fine. We'll go together.
Okay.
So will they allow to go top or something like
Yes, please.
Okay,
they will allow.
okay.
Okay,
So-
and by the way, I think the Twin Tower, Petronas Twin Tower, it consists of more than 100 levels, and there are more than 2 elevators in the Twin Tower.
that? Okay. Fine. So like, I just want to one thing my name is Samant. My channel is Travel with Samant. Have you heard of this? I'm a channel last time.
Yeah, I'm actually a fan of yours.
Oh, so nice! You already seen my channel, eh? Oh,
I've
so
even
nice.
I've even subscribed to your channel.
Okay. So, dear viewers, so he's my young fan, and please subscribe our channel, and we'll tune to many countries too, and we'll give you the latest information to help you to travel.
I always like watching their YouTube channel because as I grow up, I also want to be like them, travel everywhere around the world and explore more about the
So
future.
so nice. What's your name, by the way?
My name is Ayush Patnaik.
Ayush Patnaik. You
From
are,
from 6.
Yeah, so I expect you to be a good travel vlogger. I wish you all the best. You can do that and show your, your talent and
Yeah.
your information to enter the world. I wish you all the best. And dear viewers, stay tuned. Me and I was going together to KLCC Tower or
Petronas
Twin Tower.
Petronas Twin.
And stay tuned. Thank you. We just came inside
Yes.
Surya KLCC, that is shopping center.
Yes.
This shopping center inside the, next to Twin Tower, something like that.
No, it's inside the Twin Tower.
The inside Twin Tower. So nice. Oh, so you got nice. Perfect.
Thanks.
Okay. Can I exchange?
Yes.
Oh,
Sure.
so nice.
Thanks.
So I exchanged a beautiful Malaysian spec with my close buddy. Okay.
Okay.
What are the things available here? Just can show something.
Actually, in the KLCC shopping mall, we get a lot of perfume, all makeup stuff. See, look at all these makeup, perfume stuff,
Okay.
or makeup, lipstick, or fresheners and stuff. Okay?
Okay.
And then we also have this expensive Dior shop.
Okay.
Dior shop. Look at all these perfumes and things.
Okay.
And then also, In advertisement, we always see this SK2 and all advertisement
Okay,
things.
okay.
Now see over here, they even have the banner of Zendaya putting.
Okay. So right now we are just inside the shopping center of the ground floor of the Twin Tower. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So tell me where exactly you are right now. Where exactly you are right now?
We are exactly going to the middle of the Twin Tower.
Oh, so nice.
Yes. So, I come over here. See? Look over
Oh yes.
Come over here, see?
Yes.
Look over here.
Oh, this is Surya KLCC shopping center, and I think the next will be the same building. The Binod will be our Twin Tower. Am I right? Okay, fine.
Look at down. There's a lot of activities, carnival activities. Look at down. It's so crowded because there's so many kids to do these activities.
Okay.
Look at this beautiful day. So beautiful.
Okay. Today being a Sunday, the crowd is more,
Yeah.
and you can they got a lot of activities over here.
Yes.
And अच्छा लगता है कि मतलब यहाँ पे crowd है और Indians बहुत है. I can see Indians everywhere. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's go to entrance of. We'll buy some ticket.
Huh?
We'll buy ticket.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, come. Let's go.
Okay, so over here,
Uh-huh.
there,
Yeah.
over here, there's a shop over here.
Okay.
These bags and all things.
Okay.
These bags.
Go to here. Petra Swinter visit this side.
Yes.
Right? Remy Hall. Yeah, fine. We'll go there.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is the Gucci store.
This is
the
Gucci
most
store.
expensive.
Yeah, very expensive. Okay.
They sell the most expensive things.
Okay, fine.
Let's go.
Okay. So we're just entering to the where you can buy tickets.
Yeah.
I mean, this is what the shopping mall. I mean, ground floor.
Yes.
So I mean, we are going to inside the. We'll buy the ticket in the ground floor and go up. Am I right, Ash? Okay, fine. How many times you came earlier?
Earlier, it's probably like more than 5 times.
Oh, so great. So you are more experienced than me.
Yes.
Oh, so dear viewers, he's the most 5-time visitor to Petrus Tower. So nice. So where's the ticket counter?
The ticket counters are over.
Yeah, enter some ticket there. Oh, Twin Towers.
Yes.
Fine.
This is the entrance of this whole building.
Yeah, we can buy ticket there, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, fine. Oh, so nice. This is something. It is like here you can buy ticket. Or somebody tuning a piano, something there.
Yes.
This self-entertaining. Or you also can. Do you know how to play piano?
No.
Oh, so
But my
nice.
dream is to learn how to do piano.
So nice. So nice.
Wow, so nice.
You can see a lot of happenings over here. There is a piano and one
Look at the
artist
F1.
is playing the piano over here.
Yes.
So nice. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
And look at the F1 car.
Yeah.
F1, nice. The Wolves car, fastest car.
Okay. So nice. Okay, so let's buy a ticket right now.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Bye.